Hello, I'm QueenJane Tobin. This is a video blog of the topic of all our projects we've done so far for the term, and I'm here to do self-reflection and evaluation about the coursework we've done so far. So the project 1 is about what we did, how we did it, what went well, what you could improve. Include screenshots of your work as well as the final product. So the first is project 1 task 1, gen research. In this project, we research about different genres of music. I research about classical jazz music and its origin. I research about different artists in early 1990s and how jazz age is being recognized as a opportunities to explore the musical genre talent and vocals. It was successful because it gives everyone opportunity to explore their musical skills and listen to different tunes and vocals in their preferred genre music. At the moment, it was done better because everybody was opportune to share their ideas and skill tasks and listen to vocals or preferred genre of music. In future, it will be good to explore different genres of music in depth and reading. The second one is project 1 task 2, creating a track. In this project, we did about creating a track. Task 2.2, production blog. Task 2.3, link to your track. So in the first one, in project task 1, we did production plan. In order to produce a track, you must first create a short plan on how the track is going to sound and be structured. The genre of music to be created, the BPM, tempo of track, any sounds you want to be used in a sequence. We did it to enable us understand how to plan our work and do it successfully. It was successful because it helped us to understand how to plan and work according to the plan. According to the plan. In future, we should keep practicing and work according to the plan. Task 2.2, production blog. Activity. First, I open a Logic. In this research, I first open a Logic. I use the Apple loop guitar Chile loop in CM. I made the track 120 BPM because I wanted to make deep house, and that is the structure BPM for it. I use the ultra beat drum machine made 4x4 beats. I did production blog and the activity and show picture and video of my song lyrics and structure, which is intro, hello everybody, the verse, the lyrics of the song and choruses. It was successful because it helps me to express song with high and low pitch, and I felt it went well, and in future to keep practicing my Logic and develop more sound and beats. Task 2.3, link to your track. I use SoundCloud. The website is soundcloud.com. I use SoundCloud, and I research classical jazz. I did it to show reflection of myself singing and using vocals to express myself and see how it sounds in SoundCloud. It was successful because it helps me express my vocals and hear my sound in the song. I think we did great, and in future to keep practicing to build up my vocals, confidence, and the competence. Project 1 task 3. We did a music industry job roles. In this project, we looked and researched 4 different job roles in music industry. We look and research on artists. An artist is main assignment is to create something interesting, unique, or functional for use as an advertisement. And then we did about artists and repertoire. This is the division of a recorded label or music publishing company that is responsible for talent scouting and overseeing the artistic development of recording artists and songwriters. They are responsible for finding promising new artists for a record label or music publisher to sign. Then writer, producer, and composers. Songwriters create lyrics and melodies for songs in different genres. They can be employed as staff writers, but typical work on freelance basis. Then label managers, they coordinate, schedule, and promote a records for a company to release. We did the research to enable us to understand how different job roles and the music industry. It was successful because we explored and researched different job roles in music industry. It was successful because we explore and research different job roles on music industry. In future, to keep practicing and researching more skills. Then project 3.2, creating a label and label roles. We created Urban Souls as our record label in this research, and our label genre is classical jazz hip hop. Myself, Nicholas Baron, set up the label. I like working with them. We all had a good vision of the label. There wasn't any problem. So that's it in task 1 3.2. Then project 1 task 4 is about health and safety posters. In this one, I had problems finishing this on time. Next time, I need to work on time management because I have responsibilities at home. So I wasn't able to submit on time. Next time, I make sure to do work earlier on this particular one, the project 1 task 4. But I finally finished it in time anyways. So now we finished project 1 and all the tasks on it. So we are now going on project 2, task 1, and this one is remix research. In this research we did what is remix, different types of remixes, like official remix, bootleg, Marshall, VIP, club edit / radio edit, re-edit. We researched a song in this remix. The song I researched was Adele, Rolling in Deep. I listened to the original song and compare it with other 2 remixes, which is Jamie X remix and the Bukza remix. My personal thought on this remix is that the Bukza, the remix, the rhythm sounds like club sound, and the demographic age was 14 to 25, which is almost like similar to the age group of the first Adele, the original songwriter, and the structure changed and was used in drum and bass club setting. But after listening to both 2 remixes, found the original one, Adele one, more interesting. Although the 3 of them use multi-instrumental multi-instrumental in in the remix of the music. So, and then this one is a project 2 task 2 remix plan. The genre of my original track is classical pop music with genre instruments of drum and bass. The genre of remix I use on this project 2 task 2.1 remix plan is the genre of music I use on the remix is a cappella, Billie Jean pop music by Michael Jackson with sounds of drum and bass, which are derived from Logic Sounding Computer, and the website is www.chorus.online.com Michael Jackson. Then the task 2.2 of it was production blog. In this project, it went well because I got the a cappella of Billie Jean from YouTube. My track is relevant to Jane choice of my remix because I use the songs beats like African drum, balancing out bars. My remix incorporates audio effects, live like delay, reverb, filter, and chorus in producing this work. And then another one is project 2 task 3. This one is performance analysis. In this project, we did research about musical performance. So I actually did research in musical performance analysis. I learned about music production, the process by which music is created, captured, manipulated, and preserved so that it can be distributed and enjoyed. We researched about music terms to describe music production, performance, and composition techniques. It went well because I did performance review about an artist I researched, and I did discography of Wizkid, a Nigerian Afrobeat singer. It consists of 5 studio albums he has done. It went well because I researched and did video highlights of his music performance, and you can look up on it on reference clashmusic.com, website.clashmusic.com.live, and it will tell you more about Wizkid, how he started when he was about 11 years, and his journey to music career and to his stardom. Okay, so the task 4.1 we are doing now is a production terminology. In this research, we did about production terminologies and production terms. I did lots of production terms like mixing, panning, dubbing, chorus effects, delay, reverb, dynamics, comprehension, highlights filter, low pass filter, distortion, and DAW. It went well because I did lots of research about the terminologies and how to use some of it and apply to my work. And if you can listen from my previous one, the Billie Jeans of Michael Jackson, the task tray, you see that when I listen to the music of Billie Jeans of Michael Jackson, I use some of the terminologies from reverb and the delay and applied it to the work I did. And then I think I will say overall that I enjoyed all the work we've done so far, and the more in future I will have to learn more and practice more and research more. That's what I will say. And then also my one of my colleague in class, Derek, he has given feedback to me about my how he enjoyed the criticism about his the Billie Jean's remix he listened before, and then he has highlighted some things about the remix and the music he has listened to, Billie Jean's and the Adele song as well. So he has given me, Derek, he has given me feedback. So I will continue improving and learning more and then researching more. So till then, I'm happy with my course. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.